There weren't many men trying to sell us shirts yesterday. Oh!
Skim any stones.
From here? I can't skim any stones anyway. I'm not even good at stuff like that. Dude.
But they're very deceiving.
Oh wow, you did too! Two again. Where am I gonna find a stone? This one like this.
Flattish. Oh my gosh. What was that?
Even the seagulls are laughing.
Yeah, exactly. Even nature laughs at you. That didn't even go far as well. Oh dear.
Okay, let's see who can throw the furthest.
No, that's not fair. You used to play cricket. That Hamz bowl. The famous Hamz bowl. Do it, man. That was quite far.
You can't go further than my bag in terms of like a run up. You went there. It went further than me, but you don't need to know that. Yeah. Buy any fish because they'll be trying to upsell you. Bro, I'm scared, you know. I've got things in my pocket. Nah, I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. And I'm in my flip-flops as well.
No, I really can't be living.
Oh look, there's a cannons. We did see it, which was on the night.
Oh, this is what you're talking about.
Yeah. How do we get up there? That's the thing.
Watch out for them birds. That was so close to your head.
Shall we? Yeah, don't get the military.
Oh, I didn't record them. Smells nice down here.
Wow, look at all of that. Going out to sea. Getting a bit more wavy as well. I think we've had a successful trip. I think it's been decent.
Very good, very good.
Very
Very
good.
nice. I like it. Oh, I like that.
Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that.